Matt from HomeServe here. I'm at the 9th annual HomeServe Contractors Convention in Las Vegas, where hundreds of HVAC, plumbing, electrical, appliance repair, and other types of technicians from across North America are gathered. While we have all this skill, experience, and expertise all in one place, we figured we'd get it straight from the horse's mouth, what they think all you homeowners out there are doing wrong that you should stop doing, what you're not doing that you should start doing, as well as the worst thing that they've ever seen while out on a service call. Let's see what they say. What is something that homeowners are not doing that they should start doing?
Regular maintenance, doing it themselves, things that they could do that'll help prevent clogs and things like that. Kitchen sinks, I do it in my own house, filling the kitchen sink up and dropping it down and trying to rush everything out of the lines to help prevent future clogs, things like that.
Watch your water line bill, and it can adjust very fast.
You randomly get a bunch of usage that you weren't expecting. You didn't have a pool party, you haven't been doing a ton of laundry, it's suddenly thousands of gallons more than you were expecting. That's probably the best indicator that you have a leak on your main line.
Always call us out and get it going that way. And with HomeServe, best thing, free service call, just go out there and check it. No big worry on that side.
What is something homeowners are doing that they should stop doing?
Their own plumbing.
They should start preparing more for when things happen to their house. These builder warranties only last a couple of years. After that, especially anything that's mechanical-wise, plumbing, electrical, things are going to happen. It does happen, and a lot of times they get upset because it's not covered under the builder's warranty.
Stop doing, I would say, stop putting the Drano and stuff down the drains and everything like that. That's the biggest thing. A lot of people, it works, but it will degrade that pipe very quickly.
Man, I want to say that it's the worst thing, but it's also the best thing because we're getting call after call. Baby wipes.
Yeah.
Leave those things in the trash can, but at the same time, flush them down for me because I'd love to come out to your house and snake your drain out.
We're constantly telling you people that. Stop doing that.
It's our number one offender is baby wipes. They say it says on the package they're flushable, and they're not. We pull them out of the house traps daily, 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day.
What is the worst thing that you have seen while out on a service call?
I pulled a possum out of the pipe.
Was it dead or alive?
You know what? If I knew it was a possum when I pulled it out, I wouldn't have pulled it out. It was dead.
We went to a job, we went into the backyard, he was like, oh, my toilet's leaking, it rocks a little bit when you sit on it. And we walked into the backyard into a plastic Rubbermaid shed, which was a full bathroom, in the backyard, trenched outside into the main house trap. Pretty interesting.
Yikes.
Yeah.
They opened the floorboard up in the bottom, about 5 to 10 feet of water in the basement, so they basically had an indoor pool, and they're like, oh man, we didn't know it was leaking. We're like, oh man, yeah, you got basically an indoor pool at this point. So that was probably the worst thing I've seen so far.
That's crazy.